Hi everyone, welcome to 동그라미 Korean. Today I'm gonna teach you an easier way to learn and memorize Hangeul, the Korean alphabets. This is 기역, 기역. And you can memorize it by thinking of a gun. It looks a little bit similar, right? So 기역 for gun. 기역 for gun. If you add a stroke to 기역, it becomes the letter 키읔, 키읔, and it sounds 크, 크. And you can memorize it by thinking of a key. You can see the tip of a key looks similar to the letter 키읔. 키읔 for key. This is 디귿, 디귿. You might have caught a little pattern here. The name of every letter starts with its sound. So for 디귿, the sound is 드, 드, and you can memorize it by thinking of a door. So 드 for a door. 디귿 for door. This is 티귿, 티귿. And again, the sound is 트, 트. 티귿 for a T. 티귿 for teeth. This is a 비읍, 비읍. And the sound is 브, 브. So B for a bucket. 비읍 for bucket. If you change some strokes from 비읍, it becomes 피읍, 피읍. And the sound is 프, 프. You can memorize this by either thinking of pie that you eat or pie from math class. 피읍 for pie. This is 이응, 이응. 이응 has two sounds. When it is the first consonant, it has no sound. However, when it becomes the final consonant, it has the sound ng, like sing, song, bring, thing, Hong Kong. Yeah.
이응 for nothing because it looks like the number 0.
If you add two strokes on this 이응, it becomes hyut, hyut, and the sounds hu, hu. Memorize this by thinking of a hat. Hu for hat. This is 시옷, 시옷, and the sound is 스. You can memorize this by thinking of summit of a mountain. 스 for summit. 시옷 for summit. Add a little stroke to 시옷 and it becomes 지읒, 지읒. And it sounds 트, 트. 지읒 can also be written differently like this. For 지읒, think of a jacket. So 즈 for jacket. 지읒 for jacket. Add another stroke to 지읒 and it becomes 치읒, 치읒. 치읒 can be written in three ways, like this, and that. The sound is 츠, 츠. Think of a church. 츠 for a church. 치읒 for church. This is 니은, 니은. And obviously it sounds 느, 느. For 니은, think of nose. So 느 for nose. 니은 for nose. This is 리을, 리을. And the sound is a little between L and R, like L. For this, think of a rattlesnake. So lir for a rattlesnake. Lir for rattlesnake. This is mium. Mium. The sound is mu. For this, memorize it by thinking of a mouth. Mium for mouth. Mium for mouth. Yay, we're done with consonants.